It's looking delicious, man. Y'all thought this was a game.
It's a long bridge. I know, right? It's the Skyway. This is not a bridge. It is the Skyway. We are under Pulaski Skyway. Is that the Arizona Bridge to the right? Man, you'll be looking over there, buddy, while I'm driving. Hey family, I finally got a chance to sit down and do some edits on some video we shot a couple weeks ago. Hope you enjoy.
Guys, we're about to go to Grow NYC Stop and Shop? Stop and Swap. Stop and Swap. We're gonna donate a bunch of items from the house that Zoe picked out over here to Prospect Park, Brooklyn.
Sony was one of the ones that
Take this one up, Zoe. Oh, you got it? Whew. That's it?
Hello. Would you like your bag back?
Yeah.
I'm gonna drop everything out and then give it right back to you. Okay, so I gotta go.
Yeah. Uh-oh. All right, y'all know it. We here at Prospect Park, and it's time to get me something to eat. The kids have wandered off and got them something, or they're going to get them something, but I'm hungry now, so I'm looking right here, man. Let's go right here, because I like the way this looks right here, man. On the chick sandwich, that's macaroni and cheese?
That's kimchi mac salad.
Mac salad.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mac salad and garlic chicken.
Okay. You guys in line?
No, they were ready.
Oh, okay. I'll get one of those. Yeah. Line already?
Sandal.
Hold on. Let me get some video first. You don't mind for like 5 seconds?
Nah, do your thing.
That's it, y'all. Look. It's looking delicious, man. Thank you very much, sir. All right, we're gonna go find a table over here, man. We're gonna eat on somebody's table. Table right here, y'all. Here it is. Right here is a table. There's no table, somebody. How you guys doing? Can I set up right here? Thank you. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We are here in Brooklyn. Would you believe that? Y'all thought I was gonna say we in Newark, right? We're in Brooklyn, man. We're at the Smorgasburg. This is actually our second day checking out the Smorgasburg Food Festival. The first day we were down at the World Trade Center in Manhattan, and we had the cheese steak. It was delicious. Now we're gonna try this out right here, y'all. We just got this from Kalihi, and it is the chicken and the macaroni mix, BK. Got some nice fresh vegetables on there, man. Do you know what sold me though? The macaroni and cheese. It kind of reminded me of the look of macaroni cheese I get in Newark, New Jersey. But let's check it out. Let's not prolong. This is the only napkin I got. That's for J.E. Lane, because J.E. Lane is always like, where's your napkins, man? Let's check this out. This is really, it's about, just to let you know how big this is, it's 14 bucks. Here's my hand, right? So that's about the size of this sandwich. All right, pretty small. I was gonna take half of it, but let's go for it. My napkin flew away. Okay, that was some, it tastes delicious. There was crispy fried chicken on here. There's some type of sauce on here that's sweet. You know, it's not like really sweet, but definitely added a sweetness to it. The macaroni and cheese. The sandwich is cold. The macaroni and cheese is cold, and you see that they slice and chop some cabbage up on top of there. I'm gonna break it in half because my plate keeps flying away. I gotta set this heavy half in the plate. So look at that, all of that chicken's gone out of that piece, but let's finish this piece off. That's the chicken that was on it. Really crispy. I had to sit here and chew that chicken up. It's crispy and it tastes good, but it has a good, you got a good minute of chewing it up before it's done. Okay, y'all. Smorgasbord is happening every weekend, I think, right up until October. This sandwich was delicious. If you come out, check it out. The only thing I would say is a sandwich like this should be like $10 instead of $14, but I get it. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you are hanging with the wrong people. I love you, cats, and I'll see you at the next one. Peace. See how long I'm chewing this chicken up? The chicken has some hard bite to it. Yeah, it's almost like gum. There you go. Now I just tasted a gummy piece of that chicken. I don't want to swallow it. Yo, today Zach got the lamb. Where we going, man? Why you walking up on me like that? Back up. Zach's got the lamb, y'all. Look at that lamb. Watch out, my wire's on there. Oxtail empanada, how was it?
It was really good.
Zoe's oxtail empanada was really good. So Zach likes the lamb. He said he didn't get chicken because he wanted to try something different, and I love that. You know, let's try some different stuff and not let's do the same thing over and over and over again. You know, bada boom. Look, y'all, we got our don't. Oh my goodness, they're not in the plastic. I thought mine was in. Look, man, this is. Oh my goodness, this thing feels like it weighs a pound, y'all. It feels like it weighs a pound. Y'all thought this was a game.
You don't want a napkin? You should get a napkin. Because your hands are going to get messy. You just want a napkin.
How's it gonna get messy?
Well, that was not.
That's just how it looks, like it's crunchy.
Are you just think I'm gonna be messy with it?
Open the napkin.
I want to wait till I get home to eat this, but it's delicious, y'all. We're here at the Donut Pub on 14th Street and 7th Ave.
Eat it, though. Come on.
I don't know if
Why you be serious? Zoe was getting short with Zach just now, y'all. It was hilarious. She's gonna wait till she get home with hers. How's it taste?
it tastes good. It tastes like cappuccino.
Oh, it tastes like cappuccino, so it's like a coffee donut. Ah, okay.
What's good?